What the heck is going on, guys? It's Boy King here. And welcome back to some Play-Doh, guys. So, guys, yeah, guys. So, you want me to do Play-Doh? But we're gonna do Play-Doh now. Huh?
Tomorrow you have to flip over the page and write off the calendar.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you see this, guys?
King, that's my spot.
Oh yeah.
I said spot.
Dang.
My hair is messy.
Oh my gosh, Bill. Look at my hair. My hair looking messy.
Why you don't even have new shirts? Only I do.
Look, guys. I picture.
Poop color.
So we're gonna about to save this. So how to make a key with not losing this? Now we don't need this. I hit the freaking laptop. I mean my camera. Okay, how you doing, guys? There's a cut of pizza.
Let's see. I'm mixing up. No. King, can you borrow me some orange? Please. Just a pinch. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Orange and mixed up.
I'm gonna mix up orange and purple. And on what?
I was about to do that. Can you do the same and see what color it makes?
Yeah, guys.
Wait, Ken, did you just put those things together?
Yeah. But this don't work. And see what happens.
Kane, you don't know what to do. You gotta fold it, too. Fold, roll, 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 roll. Look at it. Fold, fold. Oh, I'm not looking. I accidentally looked.
A egg, guys. A freaking egg. Mixed up together with eggs.
Green eggs and ham.
Hams. Ooh.
What is that?
What? Like a freaking Easter.
What is this? Isn't that an Easter?
This is a Easter.
Oh. This looks like the rabbit.
Oh no, my pizza is almost broken.
You cut it.
Guys,
let's see what
I'm gonna mix with green with blue.
Green? I want him to do that.
No, you lose red and pink, and we're gonna mix, but we split up.
No, this one's not turning pretty good. I think I need a little bit of purple.
Okay,
there we go.
Oh yeah, I'm not.
Only I can look. Pretty.
You gotta be a snake.
I think mine's are done. This one's a pretty color.
There we go, guys.
Can you look at this? Is this a pretty color?
Oh, that's cool. Guys, look at this.
Okay, this is starting to get full.
Oh.
If I mixed up colors, I'm gonna empty this out.
I got my freaking finger. Guys, let me show you how to make it. So, guys, to bring this. Okay, hold up. You do this.
What? Why do I have 2 caps of these?
Okay, guys, see this? So we're just gonna about to cut it.
Okay, no more mixing up colors. If you mix up colors, put it in here. Jesus Christ.
Fuck you. And you be careful, guys. You mess up, you can do it again. There. Whoa, guys.
Hi.
Just look at this, guys. A little bit. So we have to make some pepperoni. You just did. Yeah. But
do it flat.
you guys take a pieces out.
You didn't know what this was for?
Peace out. Peace out.
Roll it, roll it, roll it. Now it's time to rip it off. And now it's time. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it. Roll. There we go. It's rolled.
And so, guys, you want to get this out. Yeah.
Playing playdoh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
This looks like a big slice of pizza.
Gotta put these pepperonis on. So, guys, it looks like I messed up. But do the same like me, guys. No. James.
Did you spit that out?
No. Yeah. Yeah, I taste it a little bit. Yeah.
Should I do it?
No. That's gross as heck. Guys, this is so guys, yeah. You can't see our eyes. Yeah, guys,
It's my pizza.
just look at ours pizza. Eat the pizza, guys. Eat the fucking pizza, guys. You don't fucking eat the pizza, I'm gonna smash your house up. Alright, I'm coming to your house. Just kidding, guys. I won't smash you. So, guys, so this is my pizza. But do you know this, guys? But I don't know it.
Dang.
Whoa!
I'll pick that up.
Hold on, guys. Guys, we got a fight on the bell. So, this is what's my last thing. So, guys, I'm gonna lose. So it has a key on there. You see that?
Take the pepperonis off now.
No. Why we should do that?
Because
Guys, check that video out. Minecraft. We beat the freaking Ender Dragon.
Because it said so.
I forgot viewing these guys. My sister.
Yeah. Skinny.
So this is Mom's laptop, but we can all show, guys. Me and Bill, we show, I guess. Yeah. There's like freaking chaos on make.
Dang, hurry up and put reds in there. What?
Okay,
I'm done. Let's play Minecraft.
Guys, I'm gonna have to get some money from Gatatado. But we actually beat.
You kidding me?
We actually beat Minecraft. This is so long we trying to beat Minecraft.
Hey, that's just a dream.
Oh.
It teleported to your house. It's just a dream.
Ah, I get it now.
You didn't beat it yet. You gotta get some diamonds. A lot of diamonds. Can we be done?
Splash. So guys, we're gonna be done.
Okay, should we keep this or no? We can keep it in there.
Okay, but don't mess it up. So we just bam. Foot.
You made your pizza too big.
Yes.
We got a whole bunch of stuff in there.
Ah, my pizza is running, guys. I'm gonna get some money, guys. Check that video out on Minecraft. We beat it, but I don't think we beat it, but it was a dream. Holy crap! Look at my mouth. Yeah, is this the thing, like a sky up there? So that's my face. Looks like it.
You need to get off the line.
Okay, guys. Bye.